Hi guys, so welcome to my tour of where the Kuveza team make all their handcrafted goods. We're here in Zimbabwe and I got the opportunity to meet a couple of the people who make some items for Kuveza team. Everything is pretty much locally sourced within Zimbabwe and handmade. So the level of craftsmanship is because it's all handmade. Everything is very ethical, as you can see, or as you will get to see. So come with me guys and let's see how these guys are making the products. You know the mashingo basket?
Yes.
Okay. Is it made, where is this made?
This one is made from mashingo.
Can I see mukati? I see inside.
Right. Okay.
The quality is really, really good.
Yeah, it's
very good quality.
Yeah.
Wow. My bengals.
I know.
Okay, so these made in mashingo here locally in Zimbabwe.
Yes.
Okay.
It's not an saiso.
Saiso.
Yes.
Okay.
We put ma uswa mukati then yetorukana yendo inonzi saiso.
Okay, so you put straw inside, then you put saiso to weld it together.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Can I feel how heavy it is?
Okay.
So what things do you put in a mashingo basket?
This one you can use it as a jewelry box or as a sugar basin.
Yeah, there's so many you can use it for.
Yeah, it's a multi-purpose thing.
Multi-purpose. Maybe I'll put my bangles.
Yeah, you can also put your bangles.
Okay.
Can I show you also these ones?
Yes, these are the other ones.
I've seen people who hang it in their houses as
Yes. Oh, you can use it as a fruit basket also.
Is this made the same way that you make mashingo baskets?
Yes.
What do you actually call this? What is this called?
We just said
It's just a basket. Okay.
Yeah.
It's not made in mashingo.
Yeah, only in mashingo.
Mashingo baskets.
Yes.
That's what I'll call it.
Yeah.
This one is called a binga basket. Okay, so this is a binga basket. How long does it take you to produce one of these? Just one?
Just one. It may take the whole day. It depends on the design. If it is a big one, you can take the whole day just doing one basket.
Just one basket?
Yes.
Okay. Wow. So people who make these vanagari, like they'll be in the rural areas or in the rural areas. Yes. Okay.
There's all the girls at home. Our sisters at home. You know what? Just do any living. They just do a little job, some little job, so that they will get money for chigayo to buy soap. You know.
Baskets. What can you use them for?
Hangings
as well.
Yeah.
So they'll be great for decoration.
Yes.
This is so good. I can picture it on the wall hanging.
Yes.
And what about maintenance of these baskets? Is there anything special that must be done to keep them fresh or to look after them?
Nothing. This one is just hang them when the wall, when panapaita dust, just take a feather dust, then you dust it. Okay. Nothing else.
Nothing special?
Yes.
Okay, no, excellent. Very, very nice.
Alright. With the binga baskets, I'm still on the binga baskets, talking about the binga baskets. When you make these, you are obviously making them, producing them to take the funds back to the village. So it's empowering the community?
Yes. We are promoting our community. Me, I'm selling them here in Harare. They are doing their job at home. So we are trying to promote each other, you know, as women.
I know. And at least you can take the children to school.
Yes.
And
we can pay our school, our children's fees. We can also buy clothes or food for our children.
I know. How long have you been in the city, like, doing this with the baskets? And
it's about It's now over 25 years. Just
Wow.
doing this job.
Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. So Sisi Reva, it was nice to obviously meet you and seeing how you guys make these mashingo baskets. Yeah. So hopefully the community can get empowered and grow some more through through the purchasing of these baskets. Through the purchasing of these baskets, everything from these baskets, from the production, it is done and ethically sourced, and the purchasing of these baskets, obviously they help these small communities. As Sisi Reva comes all the way from, where in Zimbabwe did you come from again?
Mashingo.
All the way from Mashingo, which is within the rural side of Zimbabwe. And she comes all the way here to work, and these baskets were made from her community. So Sisi Reva, until next time, see you again.
Thank you so much.
Bye bye. I'm now at the next location, looking at another set of baskets with Kuveza team. So we are about to go and check them out. I like what I'm seeing already, so let's go and have a look. As you can see right behind me, there's already someone who is actually hand making something. I got to speak to him and he was making actually a basket. And I was just so impressed. So come along with me, guys. Let's actually have a look and hear what these guys have to say. Question for you. How many years have you been making my baskets?
Now I'm 22 years.
22 years?
Starting for making these baskets.
Wow.
Yeah.
20.
For me, I have got 42 years.
Wow.
Yeah.
That's, some skill, talent.
Yeah.
Okay.
Food baskets.
This can either be a fruit or a food basket or shopping basket.
Yeah.
So as you can see, it's actually being handmade.
Yeah.
Oh, wow.
Yeah.
Look at the detail, guys. So, Ajirwadza, does it not hurt when you are...
Uchitanga zvinorwadza.
Zvinozotongenda
nekujaira.
Or you get used to it the more you make it and your hands, okay.
Yeah.
Wow. That's just cool. This is talent.
Yeah.
Because you made everything pretty much here, all this.
Yeah.
Just sitting here and making it. It's not made anywhere else in Zimbabwe.
Yeah, made in
One by one.
Yeah.
This is pretty much a luxury item, if you ask me. The reason why I say it's a luxury item is because the craftsmanship that is going into the making of this, the level of detail and the labor, the hours of labor.
So if you're interested in learning more about Kuveza and what they're all about, do visit their website on kuvezagallery.com, where you can browse their other items. They don't only do baskets, but they also do African sculptures, and you can also get to kind of get a feel of what they are about as a brand. So guys, thank you so much for watching. I am the AfroTraveller, and until next time, see you in the next destination. Mwah!